Alright guys, so on this particular video I'm going to be trying to show you how I complete my SoSoVALUE real user probability verification. Alright, so I'm going to be making it very quick and snappy. So first thing you know is to go to your EXP page, and you are going to be finding these boost real user probability secure your season 2 EXP airdrop. So I will click on start. So clicking on start right now, this is what's going to be showing me. First thing I need to do here is to answer questions. The more I progress, the more my airdrop is secured until I get to 100. That is where my airdrop is going to be completely secured. Okay, so I'll click on start verification. First, they're going to be hitting you first question. Let me put this on silence. Okay, so the first question right here that we have is, what is hardware wallet? So you check among this option and choose the correct one. Of course, it is storing your crypto offline. I will choose this. So once you choose it, then you can see the answer is correct. Now the next question is, in the last 24 hours has XRP gone up or down? Now you can see unchanged, cannot be determined, up positive change, down negative change. So you can see in the last 24 hours SRP has gone down or up. Now of course cannot be determined, unchanged, up, down, of course up. Okay, the answer is correct. So we are here with the next question, which is, what is the current approximate price range of Bitcoin? Now the current approximate price range of Bitcoin is between 65 to 71. Boom. So the questions are you know, it's complicated sometimes, but it's all easy if you check it correctly. And also the question changes, so there is no way to tell you guys the correct answers to all these, because your own question is going to be different from mine. But the only thing is that you have enough time to go and verify from anywhere. All right, so now we are currently on stage 2. So requirements: deposit 15 USDT on Sodex, or you can actually do another thing. You can, when you deposit 15 USD on this Sodex that they are talking about, it's okay, but it means you are going to be trading to accumulate over 20,000 trading volume. Okay, but there is a kind of a shortcut to this, but it's still gonna be needing you to do some stuff. Okay, so over here right now I will click on skip this step. Okay, now you can see you now have options right here. You can either trade or deposit on Sodex. So over here this you now have two options right here. Okay, so first, now over here, to complete this one, you need to either trade up to $5,000 trading volume, or you option B, you buy 15 mag7.ssi and deposit to Sodex. So I'll click on buy and deposit. I want to be taking this step. On your own, you can decide to take a different step. Confirm your account. Confirming my account, I will click on got it and deposit on Sodex. So you are going to be brought right here. First thing, you need to buy it, then you deposit to vault. Okay, I will click on get mag7, and over here, first thing, you need to connect your wallet. Then you need to click over here on this plus button. It may be tiny, but you can still see it. Then you can either transfer assets among your account to complete your transaction, or deposit. I will click on deposit. Then I'm going to have to select the token I want to deposit from, because I've already connected my wallet. Then I will select chain, of course base. Okay, so over here right now I understand, blah blah blah. I'll click on okay, show me the address. Okay, so this is my address. I'm going to be depositing USDT from my external wallet to this particular wallet account right here. But you need to take note that minimum deposit right here is of course 5 USDC. Right here you can see our deposit is currently loading. So you can see deposit USD successful. So I've deposited, so I need to buy mag7. Of course I'll be buying the seed that we are buying. What we are buying 15 mag7, right? So I will go back like this. Then I'm gonna have to make this a little bit bolder. Okay, so quantity that I want to buy is I will just have to buy 16. I will buy 16. Okay, so I will enable trading. I will confirm this from my wallet, and once you can see stay signed in, keep enable, yes. Okay, so right now I'm gonna have to skip please. Okay, right now I'm gonna have to buy it. I will click on buy. Okay, I have to confirm order. I will click on confirm, and you can see we just bought this. Okay, the order has been placed. Okay, this is my order right here. Okay, let's wait until it has successfully bought, and immediately we just bought it right here. You can see our available balance right here is, of course, where is it, 15.9 MAG7. So we are now supposed to deposit it on the vault, right? So you click on the vault up here. So from here right now you click on deposit to vault. Okay, and it will load up. Then your chain is value chain coin MAG7. We are depositing 15, right? So we are now depositing it to the vault. Okay, so we need to of course click on, is this adjustable? Okay, 15.5, let me put it that way. So I'll then click on deposit. Okay, so this I'll need to confirm this through my wallet. Okay, then I'll click on add value chain to my wallet first. Then the next pop-up is going to be for us to deposit. Okay, approve and confirm. So you can see transferring to EVM funding, approving spending cap in wallet, and finally we now have to confirm it. Okay, and right now we have transaction processing, and in just a short while our deposit is going to be very successful. Okay, here we have it. Our deposit is successful, and right now you can see it. Okay, so once we are at this point, then we need to head back to this page, then buy 15 MAG7, deposit to Sodex vault. Then we have done it. We click on verify, confirm your verification information. This is my wallet. I can do it through my wallet. I prefer using my wallet. So right now verification failed, data sync takes, okay, it will take up to 1 minute, right? Just allow it to count successfully. Okay, so finally this is where we are currently shown 60% real user. So right now we have one more steps to take. Okay, we have one more step to take before we reach the 100 level, and when we reach the 100 level, that is when we are now verified as a real human to be able to receive our airdrop. So the first thing you need to do right here is to either skip trade $20,000 on the Sodex, or you buy 75 MAG7 and deposit to the vault. Now, how much is 75 MAG7? So over here, let's find out together. So I will go back to get MAG7. So we have already deposited 15.5 MAG7 to the vault. So we now have to deposit more, maybe around 60 MAG7 to complete it, between 60 to 61 MAG7 to complete it, and we can then proceed and verify. So over here right now, 61 MAG7 is equivalent to about 30 USD. All right, so it's about equivalent to about 30 USDT. So but over here I have insufficient USDC. Okay, so if I top up my account right now, which I'm definitely not doing on this video because the video is already very long, when I top up, then I will simply come back right here, click on verify. It will then verify that I have actually deposited it. So you simply need to take the same step that I took on the previous step. So once you buy it the same way I bought it and deposit it the same way I deposited mine, you come over here, you verify it, and you are going to be getting yourself to 100 level. And let me do it real quick. So right now, very quickly, I'm just gonna have to deposit. So I cut the video, then I wanted to start it right here. I don't want the video to be very long. I will click on deposit, and very quickly I will just deposit it by confirming it via my wallet. Okay, right now we have successfully deposited it, so we're just gonna have to come back right here. Okay, we are gonna be achieving it right here. Okay, I need to wait for up to 1 minute before proceeding, but I'll just click on verify to see if it would go through. Verification failed, so just relax, give it a little time. It will take maybe a minute to confirm. Okay, I'll click on verify again, though it's not yet up to a minute, but are we good to go in a moment? And finally, here we have it. I've now successfully verified my own account. You can see, congratulations, your EXP season 2 airdrop is secured. This is because if you don't do this, you won't be able to get any airdrop at all. You can see you are ahead of 99.99 users. So with this method, a lot of people are going to be, shaken out of this airdrop, and the reward is of course going to be very huge for those that succeed. So if there's anything you can do to get through this, go ahead and do it. But once you have gotten to this step, getting to this 120% is not mandatory. You can leave it because it will cost you way more than maybe around $200 or thereabouts. So but once you have gotten to this 100%, you are good to go. Now talking about the one what we have right here on the vault, talking about this, you can see I have a total of 76 right here. You can withdraw this any moment, but it has to be more than 14 days from now. That is 14 days from the day that you deposited. So after 14 days, you can withdraw this back, sell it back, swap it back, then have your money back. All right, so right now the market is currently down. There is higher tendency that it is going to be even more expensive in the future. So if you have a spare cash, you can use it to go through this that I've just gone through right now. I believe the video was very clear. If you have any question, let me know. Let me have it right there in the comment section, and I'll be there to help you resolve it. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that's going to be dropping very, very soon.